So the first thing you should do if you want to remove permission in Google Drive, after you open the Google Drive on your PC, then you go to My Drive. So under My Drive, now you find the file that you want to remove the permission from it. So let's say I want to remove permission from this file that I shared with someone. Right click on the file and then go to Share. So now you click on this Share button. So the first thing you should do after you come to this option, now make sure you select this anyone with the link. So now in this option, now make sure you select this viewer. So the next thing you should do, you click on this settings, and then now you uncheck this editor and commenter. So after you uncheck these two options, now you will remove the permission for the person to edit the file and for the person to make a view comment on the file. So now you go back and then you click on this copy link. So you click on this done button. So now if you share the link of this option of this file, now the person can be able to view the file, but the person cannot be able to edit the file or to do something with the file. He can only view the file. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe.